Hi guys, welcome to a new guitar tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the song Bleeding Out by Imagine Dragons. I'm going to show you only the beginning of the song where they play the chorus with an electric guitar, but they keep using the same chords all the time. It's only that the guitar disappears. But if you want to play along the whole song, you just have to keep repeating the same chords. I'm going to show you this song with a really basic chords, but if you want to play in the original key, you are going to need a capo. Capo in the first fret, okay? If you don't have a capo, well, it's a really good thing if you get a capo, because we are going to use it a lot. But if you don't have a capo and you want to play along with the original song, you can tune your guitar half step up. On that way, you are going to get that the first string you have to tune until it becomes an F. Okay. The second string you have to tune up until it becomes a C. The third string you're going to tune until it becomes a G sharp. The fourth string a D sharp, the fifth string an A sharp, and the sixth string an F. Okay? I'm going to do the tutorial without a capo, so if you don't have a capo at home, it's just easy for you to follow this tutorial. But remember to use the capo or step your guitar half step up if you want to play along with the original song. Okay, so take your guitar and let's begin. I remind you that I'm going to show you how to play the song without the capo, but if you want to play along with the original song, you have to tune up your guitar half step or use a capo on the first fret. And the chords that we're going to use are E minor, C, G, and D. If you feel like it's too difficult to change from C to G, you can use an alternative chord, and it consists on we take one finger, only one finger, on the third fret on the first string. But now we can only play with the right hand the fourth higher strings, so we don't play the sixth and the fifth. Okay, that's an easy way to play the G chord. And when we talk about strumming for this song, I think that if you have not a problem with the right hand, you can skip until I show the complete strumming. But in the beginning, it's if you feel like it's difficult to change between the different chords, you can try to practice like this, only playing once every chord, and we count 1, 2, 1, 2. Another way that I always recommend to my students when they have to practice to change the chords is that instead of practice all 4 chords, take just the first one and the second one, and you make like a loop with those 2 chords. Then when you feel comfortable playing those 2 chords, you continue with the C and the next chord. Then we continue G and D. And finally, we practice from D to E minor to start again. Okay, so when you feel comfortable with all the chains there, then you can practice the all 4 chords. We start with E minor, only playing once every chord. Okay, and when you don't have a problem with that, we start to play twice every chord. Now we play in every beat. Okay? And when you have no problem with that, then we can play the strumming like Imagine Dragons play. And it was like this. We put the E minor and we play with the right hand. Down, 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 down. So you can down, 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 up. Again. Down. And that's what we do with every chord. It's not so difficult, but the problem is that when we play that fast on the end, so we have to change the chords really fast there, and that's where it becomes difficult. Okay, and we change to C, and we play the same thing. It was down, down, then to the G, and we play the same thing. Down, down, and D. Okay, and like we did before, if you think that it's difficult to change between the chords, just take the 2 first chords and you try to play there. Then you continue with the C and the G. And then the G and the D. And finally the D to the E minor to start again. Okay, so when we put all together, it becomes like this. And there you have Bleeding Out by Imagine Dragons. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to get more videos like this one. And if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. You can also visit my website where you're going to find more tutorials like this one and tabs. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Just search for EasyGuitarTube. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.